My name is Janie, owner and operator of Lonestar Cafe. We've been in business for 10 years in the New Dayton location. We recently opened here in Louise. We're excited to be in the neighborhood, and having YK communication on our site makes it a lot easier. Lonestar Cafe is known for the best chicken fried steak in Wharton County. We have Tex-Mex plates, we have salads, spuds, and don't forget our big mouth-watering burgers. They're huge. The service that we have with YK Communications, it's our phone lines and the internet as well. If I didn't have YK Communication backing us up, I don't know what I've done. We wouldn't be able to transfer all our internet orders, online orders, and fast service for our customers using our credit card system. The Wi-Fi is connected to our POS system, and it does all our credit card transactions, and the fast, the better. Our customers wouldn't come in and get out as fast as they can because they do have to go back to work, and that's a big plus. Comparing YK Communications speed on the internet, it's a lot better than the other brand that we have at the other location. Working with YK is the service. The employees have great knowledge, makes it easier. If I have any questions, I can call them up and they're on the other end. I've worked with Liz, she's great, Manuel, Alex, Robert. Those guys have all been hands-on, very knowledgeable, and just great to know that they're there. Working with YK makes my life easier. It's fast, it's easy, it takes, all the stress off of you. We're happy to say that we love it. I'm Janie Martinez with Lonestar Cafe, and YK Communications keeps our business connected.